Hey guys, welcome back to XX Crypto. This video is a little bit different. So far, we've talked about market structure, psychology, and the technical side of trading. But I want to tell you my story, how I got into crypto, how I lost, learned, and leveled up, and why I've stayed through the cycles, the chaos, and the hard lessons. Because trading isn't just strategy, it's life experience. And if you're here to do this seriously, I want you to know where I'm coming from. So I first bought Bitcoin in 2013. It wasn't a serious investment, just curiosity. And like most people, I sold way too early. And at the time, I was working at Bloomberg, doing financial research, and then I moved to a firm called Frequent, where I worked closely with hedge funds, analyzing performance, writing reports, and building research tools for professionals. I've always been in finance, especially traditional finance. I studied economics and psychology, and that is how I shaped my approach to the markets. Price is just the surface, and behavior is everything. But the moment I truly stepped into trading was in late 2017, during the bull run where Bitcoin ran from 3K to 20K. Altcoins were everywhere, and like many people, I started trading without really knowing what I was doing. I made some money, then I lost a lot more. And that loss, that confusion, is what pushed me to take trading seriously. Started studying technical analysis, risk management, journaling trades, backtesting strategies, and slowly I started building something that actually worked. By early 2020, I'd gained enough confidence and results to go full time. So I left Frequent right before the COVID crash. Markets were panicking, but I knew I had to commit. That's when I launched Boris Digital Capital, managing my own portfolio across crypto, equities, Forex, and even equity futures. I focused on short-term trend following, macro structure, and proper risk management. The strategy I built during that time, I'll be teaching you in this course, don't worry. But things don't always go to plan. In late 2022, during the FTX collapse, I lost access to my trading account, my Bitcoin, and all of my capital. It hit hard, years of progress gone overnight. But that moment changed everything. Soon after, I joined CoinW as a trader on their trading platform. They backed the account and I took the challenge. And that opportunity brought me to Dubai. That's when XX Crypto started taking shape. I wanted to build something I wish I had when I was starting out. A course that's honest, structured, and built for real traders. Now, before CoinW, I was also working with Trade Delicious as a crypto presenter and analyst. I also wrote weekly Bitcoin updates for Lorenzo Protocol. Both were great experiences, but now my full focus is on trading and building XX Crypto. Aside of the screen, I'm into weightlifting, solo travel, hiking, things that require the same mindset as trading. Discipline, focus, long-term thinking. You don't get results overnight in the gym or in the market. So now that you know where I'm coming from, let's keep going. In the next video, we'll explore how the market actually moves. So we'll talk about trends, consolidations, price structure, so you can stop reacting and start thinking like a trader. Let's get to work, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, our Telegram groups, and all of our other socials, including TikTok, Instagram, and X. See you in the next video.